Hey again, David, Trading-to-Win.com, a standard disclaimer, and let's look at the chart. As a lot of you know, we're looking, obviously at S&P 500 weekly chart, and as once again a lot of you know, we actually predicted that sell-off back in April, and I still recall me saying that on 12 TD sequential sell come down, it produced actually strongest sell-off than on 13 sometimes. And here we go, we went down, and here was perfected. Well, not perfected, but sell 13 was deferred until that candle closed above 8. But at the same time, there was TD set up sell come down in a progress, and 2 weeks ago it finally completed, created TDST resistance line, and level of this line is, for me at least, it's kind of significant because it went a little bit above prior TDST line but below prior TDST resistance, and it couldn't even go any higher than TDST resistance line. If we look, TDST risk level is way far away. This is why a while back I said this is kind of risky trade, but most rewarding, basically normally riskiest trades. So TDST acted as resistance, and second week in a row we're going down. And looking at the weekly chart, I would say probably the first stop would be somewhere in 1140 area. They try to come up with a reason why it's happening, but just look at RSI. RSI here at the top was above 60, it was bullish, but then again it collapsed, right? It went slightly below 50, never went below 40, which is bear territory for me, and then it went up, right? It went up, and here on sell setup it started to sell when RSI couldn't even penetrate 60, right? Alright, let's take a look at daily charts, S&P 500 daily. As you can see, what happened here, there was a consolidation area, and then when TD risk level was broken, in single day it actually gained most of move here and started to steady go down and down and down, right? And it's probably going to go down to the same 1140 here, and we will see what's going to be happening from that. Next one, poor man dollar index, UUP daily. As you can see, I mean, this is as close to perfection as it possible can be. It's bottomed out on 13, come down, sequential buy. All right, it's going up in a strong momentum move. A lot of people actually caught this area as a bottoming process. There were a lot of conversation on the blog. I am not participating actively lately because once again I have my side business to take care of, and once again I figured out that every single time I read something during the trading day, it basically affects me a lot, so I just stopped reading, in spite of the fact that I do respect a lot of people, most of the people who post on Trading to Win. So now we have momentum move up, and today is day number 7, and just to repeat myself, we're probably going to go somewhere to 23 area. I don't know what's going to happen then. And last but not least, United States Oil Trust, right? Picture perfect again. Right here, coincidentally, remember 11 or 10 combo sell, 13 sequential come down, 9 setup, boom, it just collapsed. And look at the speed it's going down. This is the candle number 4. Alright, the rule is if TDST support is broken on candle number 4 or 5, a lot of more downside is to be expected. Alright, so I think short trade is not over yet. I did took some partial profits off my long puts today. You know, it's been a while since I made money because I wasn't really trading, and I wish you to make all the money you can, and happy trading. David, Trading-to-Win.com.